Hi, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur, wishing you all a very happy new year. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, 960-2265-888. But please give us 48 to 72 hours for your queries to be resolved. Have a little patience. So I started my first design. I'll be showing you all the new collections. See this. This is in pure muslin fabric with original gota work and mirror work in between. These are not plastic, these are mirrors with embroidery. See the gota detailings on the bottom. Inner is attached with this. Pure muslin pants with this. A little loose pants with pure chiffon dual shade dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 3395. 3395 is the price. Now this is a pure Dola silk fabric with this little sequence work with pure Dola silk pants. Inner is attached in the pants also and in the kurta also. And this is the fulkari dupatta with this. See the dupatta. So kurta, pant and fulkari dupatta. In this we have two sizes available, 42 and 44. And the price is 2195. Sorry, 2995. 2995 is the price. Now this is again a Dola silk fabric with embroidery. See the embroidery on the top, handwork, complete handwork. These are the pants with this, with little gota detailings. And this is the pure chiffon dupatta with gota patti work. In this we have two colors. This is pink and the other one is light blue. And the sizes are 40 and 44, two sizes. And the price for this is 2495. 40 and 44, 2495. Again a Dola silk fabric with complete pearl work, handwork. This is complete handwork. Inner is attached. Inner is attached in the pants also. Pure Dola silk fabric and pure chiffon dupatta. See the dupatta. We have two colors in this, blue and pink. And sizes are again 40 and 44. And the price for this is 2595. 2595 is the price. This is again in Dola silk fabric. See the handwork. Complete handwork on the neck and all over the kurta. Inner is attached. Dola silk pants with this. And pure chiffon dual shade dupatta. We have two colors in this. Again, blue and pink. And sizes are 40 and 44. Margins there inside. And the price is 2595. Now this is in silk fabric with complete embroidery. See the embroidery all over. These are the silk pants with this. And inner is attached. And this is silk dupatta with this lace all over. See the embroidery. And sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2995. Sorry, sizes are 40, 42 and 44 and the price is 2995. 38 not available in this. Now I'll show you the shararas. This is in cotton with complete sequence work all over the sharara. And see the full-fledged sharara and inner is attached with this. Complete sequence work. This is in lurex fabric. See the fabric. This is lurex fabric with sequence work all over the kurta, sharara and the dupatta. Silk dupatta with this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. Now this is in modal fabric, muslin fabric it is. See the embroidery on the neck, gota detailings at the bottom, gota detailings in the sharara, tassels on both the sides, and pure chiffon dupatta. See the dupatta, batik dupatta. We have two colors in this, pink and grey. Grey has this dupatta, I'll show you, with sequence work all over this lace. And sizes available are 38 to 44 and price is 2495. 2495 is the price. Now this is in peplum, muslin peplum. See the gota detailings. Right now this is sleeveless peplum. We have sleeves inside, so can be attached. Gota detailings all over the peplum. This is the sharara with this full flared sharara and pure chiffon dupatta with borders. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2695. Now this is the peplum in cotton. See the embroidery all over the top. This is in lurex fabric. See the gota detailings in the bottom. This is the sharara with this full flared sharara. See the flare with gota detailings in lurex fabric, and again pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. See the dupatta. We have two colors in this. We have tassels on both the sides. See the tassels. We have two colors in this, yellow and pink. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. 2395 is the price. Again a cotton peplum with complete embroidery and sequence work. See the peplum with embroidery. Chiffly at the bottom. This is the divider with this sharara with complete sequence work and pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. This is the dupatta. We have two colors in this, wine and green. Two colors. Front and back is the same. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. Again a cotton kurta. Now this is in front slit. See the work all over the kurta. Again a lurex fabric. This is with front slit and this is the divider with this with complete gota detailings. So this is a divider with front slit. This is the long kurta. I'll show you the complete look. Just have a look. And cotton full dupatta with gota detailings. We have two colors in this, pink and mustard. Two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 2195. 2195 is the price. Now this is pure muslin fabric. See the bandhni print. Gota detailings all over the top. This is again a sleeveless kurta, but there are no sleeves inside. We don't have sleeves with this. This is a sleeveless kurta. Pure muslin bandhni print. This is the sharara with this. Pure sharara. Inner is attached in the sharara and kurta both. See the sharara. And pure chiffon dupatta with this. We have two colors in this, pink and mustard yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 3995. Again a pure muslin fabric kurta. See the original gota work it is. See the gota work all over. See the sharara with this. Inner is attached with the sharara and kurta. See the full flared sharara. And pure chiffon dual shade dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is again 3995. This is again a pure muslin fabric. See the gota detailings all over the kurta with embroidery all over. This is the sharara with this full-fledged sharara. Inner is attached with the sharara. See the flare of these shararas. Inner is attached in the kurta and sharara. And pure muslin, pure chiffon dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 4695. Now this is a modal fabric, modal muslin. See the kurta. This is with cotton flex pants and muslin dupatta. Kalamkari print dupatta. We have 3 colors in this: green, red and mustard yellow. So 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. Now this is a shibori print. See the kurta, pure muslin fabric, modal muslin it is. With cotton slub pants and muslin dupatta in shibori print. See the print. We have 2 colors in this, red and green, bottle green. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. Again a modal muslin fabric. See the handwork on the neck. These pants have also got this handwork. And muslin dupatta with lace. See the dupatta. Heavy dupatta it is. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. This is the silk fabric kurta with sequence work. Sequence work all over. A little sequence work is there. These are the pants with this. And see the dupatta with complete sequence work. This is not a full dupatta, this is a stroll dupatta with complete sequence work. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. Now my hot cakes, melange as usual. Every time I show you 1 or 2 designs in melange. So this is the design in melange with complete mirror work on the top. This is complete mirror work, not plastic work. See the embroidery. These are the melange pants with this, with gota detailings. I'll show you the complete look and dual shade dupatta. We have 3 colors in this. This is brown, green with red combination and mustard with pink combination. Sizes available are 40 to 46 and the price is 2495. Now this is a long dress. See the dress with complete handwork on the neck. This is all the print all over. Inner is attached with this dress. And this is the contrast dupatta with this. Silk fabric it is. Silk fabric kurta and silk dupatta. We have 2 colors in this, pink with blue combination and green with mustard combination. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. 2195 is the price. Now this is a dress in cotton. See the flare. These are the pants with this. Cotton fabric it is. And this is the full dupatta with this crochet detailings. Crochet detailings on the neck, on the bottom of the dress and on the dupatta. And we have 2 colors in this, blue. Earlier I sold many pieces of this straight ones. So now we are introducing these frock style. See the pink. Sizes available are 38 to 38 to 46 and the price is 1695 only. 1695 is the price. Now this is in Chanderi fabric in straight. This is the biggest size, 46. Have a look. This is Chanderi fabric with complete handwork and embroidery. See the beautiful embroidery. Inner is attached with this. These are the Chanderi pants with this, with gota detailings. And see the dupatta. The dupatta is really very nice and designer in this. Have a look at the dupatta. Kota Doria dupatta with embroidery all over. Sizes available are 40 to 46 and the price for this is 2695. Again, this is in Chanderi fabric with Gotapatti work all over. Gotapatti work on complete kurta. Inner is attached with this. These are the pants with this, with gota detailings, and see the dupatta again. Block print complete heavy dupatta. This is complete block print Chanderi dupatta. We have 3 colors in this. This is green. Second is this beige. I'll show you the dupatta with this beige. See the dupatta. And third is pink. So 3 colors in this. Sizes available are again 40 to 46 and the price is 2595. 2595 is the price. This is again a Chanderi fabric. See the embroidery on the neck. Inner attached. These are the cotton pants with this. And Chanderi full dupatta with this. This is the dupatta. We have 2 colors in this, brown and mustard. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. 2395 is the price. Now few designs in cotton, as everybody asks me for the cotton designs. This is pure cotton fabric. See the crochet detailings. I've sold this many pieces of these, so we have restocked this with this crochet designs. It is in the bottom, crochet lace. These are the pants with crochet detailings and the gota detailings and pure chiffon dupatta with crochet detailings all over. See the crochet lace. We have 2 colors in this, green and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. Again a cotton ikat print. See the embroidery on the top. Ikat print it is with these designer pants. Have a look at the pants with embroidery and pure chiffon dupatta. See the dupatta. We have 2 colors in this, grey and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. This also we have restocked after huge demand. See the gota work on the top. Indigo color. These are the pants with this. And cotton full dupatta with this. This is just for 1095. This we have restocked after huge demand. Now this is also in cotton. Gota detailings on the top. Cotton fabric, pure cotton with these cotton pants and pure cotton full dupatta with this. This is again for 1095 and at the end the one I am wearing, just have a look. This is again in pure muslin fabric. This is pure muslin fabric. See the dupatta. This is net dupatta with complete gota detailings. I'll show you the design. Very nice design it is. Just have a look. Pure muslin kurta with inner attached. Gota detailings on the top. Gota detailings all over. This is full flared sharara with this, with gota detailings and inner is attached. Pure muslin fabric. And this is the net dupatta with this. This is the net dupatta with Goda detailings. We have two colors. This is the pink color and the one I am wearing. In pink, the sharara is different. Sharara and kurta are same print. And the one I am wearing in this is again same print. And the one I am wearing is this Leheria print. So you can order for this Leheria one also. You have to mention that in pure muslin you want Leheria sharara or the same print sharara. See, these are two different things. Kurta is the same in both, just the sharara is different. The one I am wearing is this sharara and this is the other sharara. Same is there in this pink. Pink Leheria sharara is also there and same print sharara is also there. So the price for this is, sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3995. Pure muslin fabric. So please give us 48 to 72 hours for your queries to be resolved. Thank you so much everyone. Please book as soon as possible.